A tough day for some Valley families as they have to send their loved ones off. About 30 soldiers for Company F, 168th Air Traffic Services Heavy, deploying to Kuwait for a year. It's the unit's fourth deployment in the last 10 years, but that experience doesn't make today any easier.
The only advantage I feel I have is that I know what to expect. How to cope better with relationships with my family, my wife, my son. So yeah, it does help me cope better, but it really doesn't feel like it's any easier.
The unit's mission is to provide air traffic control and ground control radar in support of Operation Inherent Resolve.